On the off chance that you're searching for Axie Infinity cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Axie Infinity Axs will go from here on out. We will break down the past costs of Axie Infinity Axs and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally unthinkable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Axie Infinity is $7.38 and Axs is presently positioned #82 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Axie Infinity is 144,489,884 with a market cap of $1.66 and 107,013. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Axie Infinity's cost has shown a decent increment of 322% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Axs was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 123%. Axie Infinity has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. We anticipate future Axie Infinity cost expectations gauge by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Axie Infinity. We give our all to gather greatest verifiable information for the Axs coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Axie Infinity market cap, Axie Infinity volume, and not many more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Axie Infinity Value Expectation Synopsis. Long haul examination proposes that Axie Infinity cost might actually flood to $7 to $657 by 2050, with a possible reach somewhere in the range of $7.327 and $8.418. Constant information shows Axie Infinity is exchanging at $7.38. Axie Infinity cost figure proposes a chance of Axs exchanging between $13.37 to $16.34 in 2025. The cost of one Axs would reach as high as $107.75 by 2030. The typical extended cost for Axie Infinity in 2040 is supposed to be $5.23, with likely fluctuations somewhere in the range of $4.675 and $5.824. Axie Infinity Value Forecast 2024. The cost of Axie Infinity is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $9.17 in 2024. The Axie Infinity cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $10.37 with the typical exchanging cost of $9.56 all through 2024. Axie Infinity Value Forecast 2025. Axie Infinity cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $13.37 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Axie cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $16.34 with the typical gauge cost of $13.75. Axs value gauge for 2026. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Axie Infinity is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $19.62. The Axs cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $23.39 with the typical worth of $20.17. Axie Infinity Axs Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Axie Infinity is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $27.94 in 2027. The Axie Infinity cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $33.65 with the typical exchanging cost of $28.75 all through 2027. Axie Infinity Value Expectation 2028. The cost of one Axie Infinity is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $42.18 in 2028. The Axie cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $48.38 with a typical cost of $43.43 all through 2028. Axie Infinity Value Expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Axie, in 2029 the cost of Axie Infinity is determined to be at around a base worth of $61.97. The Axie Infinity value worth can arrive at a limit of $74.31 with the typical exchanging worth of $63.71 in Oyster. Axie Infinity Axs Value Expectation 2030. Axie Infinity cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $89.39 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Axie cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $107.75 with the typical figure cost of $92.57. Axie Infinity Value Gauge 2031. The cost of Axie Infinity is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $128.58 in 2031. The Axie Infinity cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $159.75 with the typical cost of $133.21 all through 2031. Axie Infinity Axs Value Expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Axie, in 2032 the cost of Axie Infinity is anticipated to reach at least degree of $185.2. The Axs cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $219.61 with the typical exchanging cost of $191.68. Axie Infinity Value Forecast 2033. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Axie Infinity is anticipated to reach at least degree of $281.82. The Axis cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $323.14 with the typical exchanging cost of $289.49. Axie Infinity Value Conjecture 2040. The reception and certifiable use instances of a digital currency are similarly essential contemplations. Projects with common sense applications and far and wide reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Axie Infinity cost figure for 2040, Axs is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $5,824 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Axs coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $4,675, while the typical cost of the Axie Infinity for 2040 is projected to be $5,023. Axs value estimate for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is pivotal, however opinion can be whimsical. Looking at current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments. However, taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the most extreme cost of Axie Infinity is supposed to reach $8,418, with a typical exchanging worth of $7,657. The base cost is projected to be around $7,327. Axie Infinity Value Figure Facts. What is the eventual fate of Axie Infinity? The fate of Axie Infinity is profoundly reliant upon the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Axie, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right procedure. This kind of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an awry gamble profile. Be that as it may, in any case, a brilliant speculation for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, Axie likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing biological system. How high might Axie Infinity at any point go? The typical cost of Axie Infinity Axs could go to $9.56 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $43.43 mark.